I'll be making Masale Bhaat, which is nothing but a type of pilaf, which is made in Maharashtra, but there's a lot of vegetables that go into it. And instead of using regular garam masala, another type of garam masala which is called as Goda masala is used. I have a store-bought Goda masala, but then if you want me to make a video on what all goes in Goda masala or how can you make it at home, let me know in the comments below and I can make a video on how to make your own Goda masala as well. What I have with me is a basmati rice. Here I have 350 grams of basmati rice that I will be washing under running water and soaking it for 20 to 30 minutes and then starting to cook. But as I said, there's a mix of vegetables that go into this dish, but to cut short the time, I will be using this packet. I know it's definitely not very nutritious and not very healthy, but if you find yourself pressed for time, these cut vegetables of this kind can of course be used. It's better than a restaurant takeaway anytime. So this is a mixture of peas, carrots and potato, and what I also have is some green beans or sperzibona, which is also out of the freezer, and I will also be using this in the Masale Bhaat. You can of course add any other vegetables. You can also use cauliflower, broccoli, paneer or anything else that you wish to do. So I will go ahead and wash this and let this soak, and while I'm doing that, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you soon, and you subscribe in the meantime. So I've grabbed a big pan like this, which is a brat pan or a Dutch oven, and to this I will add 2 tablespoons, 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of oil, and then 2 tablespoons of ghee. In this we add 2 dried bay leaf, 2 cloves, 3 whole pods of green cardamom, and what I will do is just open them up and just add the seeds instead of the pod, and a star anise. And then now we add our cumin seeds. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. You can of course now add onion, but I'm not adding any onion, but instead I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. To our next step of adding the vegetables. And what we do is now let this saute, or rather come to a room temperature kind of heat, because they do not need to be thawed or defrosted right from the freezer, but then you can directly add them to the pan. 2.5 teaspoons of salt, followed by 1/2 to 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. That's it. And this is Goda masala. This is slightly darker in color because it has some dried red chili and also has some garlic, and it's kind of cooked longer, or rather roasted longer than the regular garam masala, so that's why it looks slightly brownish, and has some other extra ingredients that don't sit in a regular garam masala. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of Goda masala. This is the main spice of this rice, but if you don't have Goda masala, so you can substitute this with 1.5 tablespoons of garam masala in place of Goda masala. We let this sit with the spices without adding any water for the next 2 minutes. So it's combined in the spices. Now time to add our water. So I'm adding 550 milliliters of water. So the test to find out if the amount of water to the rice is good is that the layer of the rice to the water needs to be of this part of your finger, so here. And it depends, it doesn't matter what amount of rice or how much amount of rice you take in the pan. If the water is still this level, then you're good for a pulao or a dish like this. But if you're making, say, boiled rice, then the proportions are different. We will now try to increase the heat and get this to a boil. So it has started boiling. What we do now is put a lid. So it's been 20 minutes and now let's take the lid off. The rice looks beautiful. I'm gonna grab a fork and just puff the rice up. Let's do a taste test and then I will serve this in some time. And with this I will be making a raita. So what kind of raita would you be making if you were serving this? Let me know in the comments below. So good. I hope you give this recipe a try very soon, and if you do, don't forget to let me know in the comment section here, or tag me in your stories on Instagram and Facebook at this handle. And don't leave this video without subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like. Take care and keep spreading the love of spices. Bye.